In this video, I am going to give you three major updates. The first one is concerning the Tine Farm project, all right, and the next one is concerning the Gemz project. I haven't created video about that, but it's very important. So if you want to join that project, I'll leave the link at the description down below. And also the final one is I'm going to talk about the listing of the wcoin. If you are new, please subscribe, give me a like, also follow me on X and join my Telegram channel. Now let's get into it. Please, if you are not part of any of these projects, I'll leave all the links at the description and also at the first comment. Please join those projects. If you are finding it difficult, leave a link at the description, a comment at the description down below, and I'm going to create videos about them. All right, so now let's get straight to it. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is I'm going to talk about the Tine Farm. So this is the update. It says that we are excited to announce that our app, the Tine Farm on Telegram, has reached 7 million users. Now, why is it important for me to show you this? Now, whenever a create project like Tine Farm reaches a certain milestone, okay, within a very short possible of time, within I think less than 3 weeks, and they have been able to gather 7 million users. So that shows you how great Tine Farm is. It shows you how serious this project is. All right, and I've told you on countless occasions that Tine Farm is owned by Tech, and they are the owners of the Tine token, and the Tine token is $26 per one. All right, so if you want to joke with this, that's your own cup of tea. So that is the first update I am going to give you. All right, so if you are not part of this project, I'll leave a link at the description down below and also at the first comment. All right, now let's go to the next one. The next one is the Gemz. All right, I haven't created a video about this, but this project, I tell you, is going to be great. All right, it's very great. No, they have reached 4 million founders. All right, so that means they have gotten 4 million users. All right, so looking at this project, you haven't heard of it. They just came with it within short possible of time, and they have gotten 4 million users. I tell you, then you don't have to joke with this project. So look, this is their current stat. So they have 1 million members in Telegram community. They also have 1 million YouTube's subscribers, okay, for the announcement. So and they also have 350,000 YouTube subscribers within 3 weeks. So don't joke with this project. I'll leave the link at the description down below, and I'm going to create a video about how to use it very soon. So if you join the project, you can play around with it till I create the video. And remember, I am going to put the combo in my Telegram channel, so please join my Telegram channel and also follow my X. I'm going to put it over there, and also join my WhatsApp channel as well. I'm going to post it as well over there. So please don't joke with this project. And I'm going to give you the final update or crypto update concerning the wcoin. Yes, so I haven't created a video on that as well, but I'll leave a link at the description down below. You can join that project. Okay, so now this is it. So now this is it. Which blockchain did you choose for listing your wcoin? Be honest, mate. It's important. Drop in the comment what you picked. Now this is the underlying word. Okay, be honest, mate. It's important. The reason why I am giving you update concerning this is because of this particular statement. Be honest, mate. It's important. Why is it important? It is important because they are getting to the listing of their token. You understand? So don't joke with it. Go and keep on tapping. Go and keep on tapping. When you tap, make sure you also stick. Okay, sticking is part of the project. Don't just go and just tap. Go and stick your coins as well. All right, make sure you stick them. Yes, so choose. You have to go to their X account. I'll leave the link of the X at the description. Go and also vote this. All right, for me, I chose Solana. That's crazy. I should have chosen Ton because I know Ton is growing really really fast. Yes, so probably they are going to go, they are going to list it on Ton. I am showing you this so that you take it very serious. You don't joke with your tapping, you don't joke with your referrals, you don't joke with your staking. All right, so if you are new, please, all links at the description down below. Go and join those projects. Join my Telegram channel, follow me on X, join my WhatsApp channel, and let's make the money together with crypto without any investment. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.